Why is it waning? But I don't see any wane. We got... Yeah, I can't read this. So is there like any prizes? No. But Blick and Circle are the first two safe. Excuse me, but where's my next safe is Trinzer. I'm gonna eat it. Now there's only Netball and Blue Person. Oh fuck, I can't believe I'm in the fucking fan. Let's see votes. And Blue Person is out. No. What? No! You're not gonna eliminate me because I'm gonna do something really bad and makes the one time even longer than it should be. Just get that bitch. I will get Blue Person. Why am I falling? I'm a nuts. Alright, Blue Person. Goodbye. Fuck. Touch. Success! You're eliminated. So vote someone out of these 4 contestants to be eliminated from Apes. Oh, can't believe this is only the final 4. Stick to the script. Oh, fuck you. I'm gonna vote for myself because I'm too sexy. Blue.